If you are getting a P0430 error code, this video is going to show you 3 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0430. P0430 means your catalyst system efficiency below threshold near engine bank 2. It indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. Here are 3 simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, use a catalytic converter cleaner. There are many different kinds of cleaner, normally it's all under $20. Simply pour the cleaner into the gas tank. Then you can drive your car for 150 miles, or run the engine at about 2,500 RPMs for 30 minutes to run the cleaner through. Method B, wash the catalytic converter. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then, get a bucket, put some detergent soap in it, and foam it up. Put the catalytic converter into the solution, soak it up for 10 hours to remove all the crud that's inside of it. You can see by looking inside the converter, there are all kinds of little honeycomb shapes. They clog up really easy and cleaning will often make them open and work again. Method C, modify oxygen sensor. You can remove the oxygen sensor from the converter and fix P0420 by putting an extra space between the sensor and the converter. First, get a spark plug non-fouler, and then use a 1/2-inch drill to refit it. By doing this, the spark plug non-fouler is now having enough space to fit into the oxygen sensor. Put them together and put them back on the catalytic converter. If you find refitting the component is too complicated, you can also get some parts like oxygen sensor extender or oxygen sensor socket to create that space. So here are 3 of the most practical solutions to fix the P0430 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.